do not know what's on my windshield. That's disgusting. Hey guys, welcome back to Our Garage Auto Detail and stuff. We're not doing any detail stuff today. Today we are testing the cold air intake by AF Dynamics. So this is part 3 of the 3-part series where we unbox it, do some assembly. Part 2, we installed it. In part 3, we're now doing before and after 0 to 60 tests. I'm on my way to go do the first test, which is pre-installation. We're gonna go do a couple of highway runs, 0 to 60, and we're gonna see what it does with basically what's in there right now is a drop-in K&N filter. It's nothing incredibly special. These Rams sound anyway from factory. The dual exhaust, it sounds great. I want it to be a little bit louder. All right, I'm gonna pull over in this lot. I'm gonna take you out of the mount. Okay, that was pretty good. Reset it. Now we're going to go for another one. It is raining a little bit. .77. Okay, we've got the runs. We know what we're starting with. Let's go swap it out.
All right, between the two runs, there's 6.61 average. When you add the 6.77 run, that comes out to a 6.69 average.
All right, guys. Hey, finally getting an opportunity to do some runs after the intake's been installed. Let's check it out. Let's see if there's been any difference. Stay tuned. You're probably hearing me and not seeing me, and for most people that's okay. But we've done the swap. We've got the new intake in. It's been a couple of days. We had to wait for the conditions to be similar. That also gave the truck a couple of days to get used to the intake. So, when the coast is clear, we're going to get started. We're going to make 3 runs. Boy, that's slower. Why does it sound so angry, though? Give a little gas. Woo, 701. Boy, it's pulling super hard, but I want to say like the best time that we got with the other one was like a 650. I mean, we're talking quite a bit different. So let's get the 3rd run in. Start it again. Woo! 601. That's a 6 flat, 0 to 60, bro. In a truck, that's pretty dang good. Okay. Six, 4, 5. That one, I think I even jumped a little bit. Let's do it again. That didn't work, but we'll see what it is. Ooh. 661, and I hit it and then subsequently accidentally let off right away. Let's do one more. Yeah, I'm letting off when my speedometer says almost 70. I'm not down with getting a ticket, y'all. I will say one thing. If it's not faster, it definitely sounds better. All right, let's get started. All right, 698. Last time here. Yeah, that's about it. I could do this all night. This thing isn't going to be perfect. As you can see in the bottom right, it's not even connected to all 5 of the satellites. So obviously, less satellites, less accuracy. Okay, we got 5 satellites on this side. So let me see if we can get 1 or 2 more in. Yeah, it feels just as fast, if not faster. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. We're going to film the conclusion. We just got back. You can hear the truck cooling down. I'll probably throw in some discussion of the times. One thing that I noticed is it wasn't really repeatable. I had a heck of a time getting any sort of consistent time. Again, it's an app on a phone. The phone's connected to whatever satellites it can get. It just, it is what it is. In conclusion, our average before we did like 3 runs, I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, was like 6.69, right? Second part of the video, after switching out the intake, we did many runs. A couple of them I took out that were like ridiculous. There was a 9.5 second. I'm like, come on, there's no way I can do the same run and it be 3.5 seconds slower than one of the other runs. So I took a couple of those out. But all in all, through all of those runs, the average after installation was 6.79, which means the intake near's made no difference at all. I do like the sound. I like how angry it sounds all the time. And so for $180 for maybe a little bit better fuel efficiency and a lot better sound, I'm actually okay with it. So take from this what you will. It was a fun little experiment. If you guys if you're just now catching this episode as your first foray into the AF Dynamics cold air intake, be sure to hit the card, my left, your right, for parts 1. Could be part 2. Either way, I'll link them in the description as well, so that way you can see the unboxing, assembly, and installation. If you guys want to pick up an intake for your Ram 1500 2009 to 2018 and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, this does the trick. Hit the link in the description below. Pick it up on Amazon. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, you know what to do. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. It's just the basic panel filter. Ooh, it's jittery.